After going weeks at a time without any significant snow, this will be the second major storm in less than a week. 22 News reporter Tashani Whitlow is live in Springfield to discuss if the city will handle this storm cleanup any differently.
Springfield Mayor Dominic Sarno told me they plan to be just as aggressive in their cleanup efforts as Thursday's storm that dumped 16 inches on the city.
The small side streets, lack of plowing, no walkways plowed, no front steps shoveled.
Another snowstorm is heading our way. It's expected to dump up to a foot of snow on western Massachusetts. This comes after Thursday's storm dropped up to 18 inches of snow on some parts of the Pioneer Valley and left Springfield digging out from under 16 inches. American Medical Response Ambulance told 22 News unplowed streets and sidewalks can create a dangerous situation for emergency workers. Emergency officials are urging residents to clear their sidewalks so they have easy access to you in case there's an emergency.
Dragging the stretcher up a sidewalk that hasn't been shoveled yet over a curb that hasn't been shoveled, it's extremely difficult. It's heavy equipment, and then you put a person on top of it. It just adds another aspect to the job that's already difficult.
We have 2,000 streets, 1,000 miles of road that we have to plow.
Springfield Mayor Dominic Sarno told 22 News the city is prepared.
But we will be ready. If there are issues, we'll continue to keep our crews out there. We will continue to try to address them. We appreciate everybody's patience. Another key thing, too, is that people should abide by the parking ban.
Springfield's parking ban is still in effect until further notice. Thursday's snowstorm cost Springfield $350,000 of their $1.5 million snow removal budget for the year. And if you're wondering where all the snow downtown goes, it goes to two snow dump sites. One's on West Columbus Ave and the other is at Blunt Park. Also, if you're wondering if your community still has a parking ban, you can log on to our website at wwlp.com. For now, live in Springfield, Tashani Whitlow, 22 News.